Look, it was December. It doesn't always behave like normal months. Some firms seem to give up about 70% of the way into the month. So, of course, you're not going to get mad GDP prints and things like that. We'll have to see what January's figures look like. Halifax rounded off the 2025 results for the major indices for the moment until the ONS catches up with them, of course, which is about mid-Feb. The one that made the headlines, 0.3% price growth for the whole of 2025. They slipped 0.6% house prices in December, according to the Halifax. Their commentary, well, transaction levels were healthy. I agree. The market remains resilient. I'd say more like it's keeping calm and carrying on regardless. I'm not really sure how resilient it truly is, but people are motivated to get into houses ultimately. What's Halifax's best guess for 2026? A 1 to 3% rise in house prices, so let's call it 2%. Nationwide are at 2 to 4%, so let's call them 3%. I'm at 1.5%, so I'm underneath the forecast, which is fairly unusual over the last few years, but I feel like we've got a lagging problem with London's prices and the southeast prices apart from anything else, and there's not going to be any major improvements on that front in 2026 because the housing market moves slowly. It's like a big battleship, isn't it? It's a big old super tanker. So what's the Halifax regional roundup? Northern Ireland storming ahead at 7.5% up on the year, Scotland second at 3.9%, Wales at 1.6%, and they don't even mention the number in England, but if it was plus 0.3% overall, I think we can conclude English house prices were very flat in comparison to the other three, according to the Halifax. But they do comment on the English regional spread in pricing,